My name is Azubike Chinazo Ikenta, ID number 27760, a member group 54. This slide introduction is created to represent the technicalities of the strategic management and its enhancement to workflow of the employees when applied in the companies of the contemporary world. In the present business environment, the use of operational and the logistic management have become a must to determine the pre-production process, according to Think 2021. The selected company is HCL. They are known for their quality of service, customer segmentation. From chain record, they sell out quality products and services to academic sectors, according to Fatima and Urbana 2020. As an educational catering company, HCL serves numerous schools, colleges, and staffs on daily basis. For instance, 60,000 meals to the primary school students, 1,800 meals to the staffs. This change in demand can make the company to increase its staff portal system in order to meet the requirements of their customers. According to Mora 2021. Please, may you join me to welcome my colleagues for the rest of the slides. Thank you.
It's Alvin Joseph Padinyara, recruitment student ID is 200777033, and the next slide is implementation in the service. From the diagram we can see that adequate communication skill and time bar is strictly maintained. Now the next slide is digital marketing strategy. From the figure we can see that awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty and advisory. This is the digital marketing strategy, and for this company the creative design of the company is a digital marketing strategy, and tagline of the advertisement also ensures more customers. Then the reconstruction of the image of HCL. Next slide says about the challenges faced by the HCL. It mainly says the three main challenges. One is the inconsistent flow impact the business adversely. Then the other one is massive fall in sale of products. Then the last one is customers complained about the quality of the products. Next slide is a rich diagram which shows the among manager, client and employees. The first thing we can understand from this diagram is that the complexity of the operational procedure, which is the problem for this organization. The second point we can understand is the poor service of the company. And the third point we can see is that the decline in sales starting about the irregular information flow in the business.
My name is Oluwatobi Ife Isholapinla. My serial number is 200-25722. On this slide, I talk about the significance of the operational and logistic management. My group number is group 54. So the implementation of operational and logistic management will help the company to vision its risk causing factors and boost the production process. The bottlenecks of the supply chain operation will also get eradicated with the implementation of strategic operational management policies by Vietnam and Somalia 2021. Secondly, inadequate decision-making ability of Hertfordshire Catering Ltd. The implementation of operational and logistic management will help the company to vision its risk-causing factors and boost the production process. So, implementation of operational and logistic management will help. Implementation of strategic operational management policies will also help them in decision making. Source Goodman et al. 2017. Discussion on Hertfordshire Catering Ltd. Therefore, the implementation of operational logistic management will help the company's vision its risk causing factors and boost the production process. Coordinations within the department incorporate the use of APS and ERP to boost the sales. Run Advantages of APS is run the business smoothly, used in the process of manufacturing management, and also ensures an equal distribution of raw materials. The source of reference is Patel and Woodhouse 2019. Thank you. As a pass to my other colleague.
My name is Subhanjot Kaur. My student ID 200666567. Let's talk about role of ERP system. The enterprise resourcing planning helps the companies to have phase assesses to communicate with business associates in the order to run the company in a structural manners. The use of ERP is required as it connects all the computing network of the company with each other, facilitating the workers to communicate with each other in an effectorless manner. We were 2021. And, let's talk about effective use of analytical tools. The successful implemented analytical tools in the company can help to predict the future of the project in an effective manner. It also helps the company from long-term risks causing factors on the implementing effective use of analytical tools in the company. HCL can increase its rate of profit as it will not only predict the risk but will also analyze the data of the customers and suggest requirements of the products according to 2018. And, next, talk about significance of sharing information. Sharing information amongst the stockholders of the company helps to identify the functionality of the company. It also ensures the employee to put the forward innovative chances so that the demands of the customers can be fulfilled. The production area can also be simulated in an effective manner. So Cornell Pace and Saif 2017. And next, but no, let's talk about development of leading solutions in the marketing. The leading solutions to development in the marketing is HCL critical thinking process as the company deals with various age groups. Therefore, its significance to understand the audience is great. HCL therefore believes in spending time and to understand the psychodemographic considerations and the requirements of the language to satisfy the customers. Grew World 2020. Thanks.
My name is Shah Monirul Haq and my ID number is 20071153. First of all, I talk about connected to National School Meals Weeks. Hertfordshire Catering Ltd is also connected with the National School Meals Weeks Association that ensures quality service for the people who are availing HCL service. My next one is results. HCL's developing methods and designing ability helps to gain and fruitful results in the market. Effective planning and execution made it have an easy to the school manners. It built in framework so that their ability to process data can be enhanced. Now I talk about recommendations. In order to uplift the position of HCL in the market, the company should foster innovative changes within the production team. They should also focus on the supply chains so that the information flow is maintained. The use of automated logistics should be applied in the operation of supply chains can be maintained effectively. The last one is conclusion. HCL have been facing various operation issues from past few years, uh, leading its customers to be unsatisfied with the products and the services. The company should therefore begin measurable changes in its supply chain management with the help of strategic operation within the management area. HCL should also adopt ERP and APS so that it can boost the sales development. And here is our references. That's all about our presentation. Thank you.